this your car? Did you know Proton Holding Berhad Malaysia was first national car maker? It established in 1983.
Do you know about Proton supply chain?
Hi there! I'm here to talk about Proton's managing inventory.
Wait! I have to tell you about Proton's decision-making strategies.
Did you know that Proton also face challenges in decision-making because they still use traditional ways?
Found you. I'm not done yet, so let me see. Right now, I will explain about the operation of Proton. Proton operation include advanced manufacturing at its Shah Alam and Tanjung Malim plants, with the latter being a modern facility producing up to 150,000 units annually. The company focuses on R&D to enhance vehicle design and integrate Geely advanced technologies for hybrid and EV development. Proton has a wide sales and distribution network domestically and internationally, exporting to markets like Southeast Asia, the Middle East and Africa. It provides robust after-sales services including maintenance, warranties and spare parts. The 2017 partnership with Geely improve efficiency and expand its global presence.
Hi. Hey, why are you here?
Anyway, let's start with my segment, supply chain.
Starting from the basics, Proton supply chain is a complex system that ensures everything runs smoothly from sourcing the raw materials to delivering the finished cars. Here's how it works. First, raw material sourcing. Proton partners with suppliers worldwide to secure critical components like steel, aluminum, and semiconductors. A great example, this collaboration with global chip manufacturer ensures Proton high-tech vehicles keep rolling even during global shortages. Next, manufacturing coordination. Proton uses just-in-time system, meaning parts arrive at the assembly line exactly when needed. This reduces storage costs and waste, a win-win. And supplier relationship, they're the backbones of Proton's operation. By working with both local and international suppliers, Proton fosters innovation. For example, their partnership with the Malaysian steel manufacturer supports eco-friendly production methods. So, how does Proton make it all happen? It's all about these key steps. Step 1. Strategic planning. Proton aligns its supply chain with industry trends, like their push towards hybrid and electric vehicles to meet global sustainability goals. Next, supplier selection. Proton has a rigorous evaluation process. Take their partnership with Japanese tech firm. It's ensure advanced engine technology for their vehicles. And let's not forget about inventory management. Proton uses advanced analytics to predict demand and avoid overstocking. During festive season, this ensures customers to get their cars on time. E-procurements also plays a role. By streamlining orders through digital system, Proton maintains efficiency and reduces paperwork. But here where things get tricky. Outsourcing. Like many manufacturers, Proton relies on suppliers from regions like China, like their partnership with Geely. While this helps keep costs down, it also introduces risks, such as late deliveries and part shortages, dependency on global supply chains, quality control risks, and impact on local suppliers.
Let me explain about Proton's measuring inventory. Inventory measurement is about finding the right balance. Too little inventory means delays in production and unhappy customers. Too much inventory costs extra money to store and manage. At Proton, they make sure they have just the right amount. They manage 4 types of inventory. First, raw materials, parts like steel and wires they haven't used yet. Second, work in process, cars being assembled in their factories. Third, finished goods, completed cars ready for sale. And fourth, tools and spare parts used for repairs and maintenance. By managing inventory well, Proton ensures first, smooth production with no delays, lower cost to stay competitive, and happy customers who get their cars on time.
Hello, my turn. Okay, Proton effectively utilizes SWOT analysis as a strategic decision-making tool. Let's start with strengths. Proton boasts a strong brand reputation as Malaysia's first ever national car manufacturer, backed by innovative technology and a solid distribution network. The partnership with Geely enhances its R&D capabilities and production efficiency. However, Proton faces weaknesses. Limited financial resources and operational inefficiencies can hinder growth. Additionally, a reduction in dealership outlets has impacted market reach. On the upside, there are significant opportunities. The growing demand for electric vehicles and potential expansions into emerging markets present avenues for growth. Proton can leverage Geely's expertise to enhance its product offerings. Yet, there are threats to consider. Intense competition from both local and foreign brands, coupled with economic fluctuations and stringent regulations, could impact sales performance. But in today's fast-paced automotive market, Proton faces challenges due to its over-reliance on traditional decision-making processes. Slow and centralized decision-making can delay product development and hinder timely market responses, putting Proton at a disadvantage against more agile competitors. Now, let's take a look at an example from Johor Bahru and Kota Kinabalu for their future locations. Given both their budget to open at the new location respectively is 15 million and 11 million ringgit Malaysia. Johor's established infrastructure and growing population provide a favorable environment for automotive sales and services operations. In contrast, Kota Kinabalu, while important, does not offer the same level of economic synergy or growth potential as Johor Bahru. Therefore, opening a branch in Johor Bahru aligns better with Proton's strategic goals of expanding market presence and capitalizing on emerging economic opportunities.
So now I'm going to talk about some recommendations. Proton can greatly enhance its operation by implementing targeted improvement in inventory management, decision-making strategies, and supply chain processes. First, in inventory management, Proton should adopt ABC analysis, prioritizing high-value critical components like semiconductors, Class A, while allocating less attention to lower priority items, which is Classes B and C. This ensures that essential resources are focused when they matter most. Additionally, implementing economic order quantity (EOQ) will help Proton determine the optimal order size for its raw materials and components, reducing costs associated with excessive ordering or storage. Safety stock is another key recommendation. Maintaining a buffer of critical parts can prevent delays during unexpected demand surge and supply chain disruptions. Regular cycle counting will ensure inventory records are accurate, minimizing the risk of errors and shortage. Lastly, quantity discount should be leveraged to lower costs through bulk purchases, but this must be carefully balanced with storage capacity to avoid inefficiency.
Excuse me, my turn. Proton relies too much on a top-down approach where everything goes through a lot of layers of management. In today's fast-paced car market, there is a recipe for getting left behind. To speed things up, they should give more power to the teams actually working on the cars and dealing directly with customers. Let those teams make decisions more quickly. They are closer to the action and can react faster to what customers want and what's happening in the market. It's all about being more agile, and they really need to start thinking ahead. What if everyone start buying electric cars, or what if there are supply chain issues? They need to plan for those scenarios now. They could use also some clever technology to help them make better decisions. Think about using AI and data analysis. They can use that to make sense of all the information they have quickly and then make better choices based on actual market trends. Another thing is their supply chain. They depend heavily on suppliers in China. That's risky. If something happens in China, a shortage of parts, a factory closure, quality problems, it directly impacts Proton. To fit this, they need to diversify. They should get parts from several different countries to avoid putting all of their eggs in one basket. Working more with local Malaysian manufacturers is also a smart move. That will help the Malaysian economy and also make things faster and more reliable. And it goes without saying that they need tighter quality control. They need to make sure every part meets their standards, whether it's made in Malaysia or overseas. Finally, real-time tracking of their supplies would help them see potential problems coming long before they become major disruptions.
Lastly, by implementing this recommendation, Proton Malaysia can improve its operational efficiency, adapt more quickly to market demands, and deliver better value to its customers. Alright, you can go now.